What if I told you that you could create a digital version of yourself, one that talks, moves, and creates videos, all without you ever stepping in front of a camera? Sounds impossible? Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step and introduce a brand new member of the SmartAiDigi team. Until now, content creation was stressful. You needed cameras, lights, microphones, the perfect background, and the confidence to show your face. But what if you don't want that? Some people are shy, some don't like being on camera, like our manager, and some just don't have the time. That's where AI avatars come in. Let's start with the easiest way. Here in HeyGen, I log in and open the avatar library. Look at this, dozens of ready-made characters, male, female, professional, casual. Let's pick this one. Now I type a short script. Hello everyone, my name is Natalie, and I'm here to show you how avatars work. I click Generate, and suddenly the avatar starts talking.
Hello everyone, my name is Natalie, and I'm here to show you how avatars work. And by the way, they told me I'm the perfect employee. I never sleep, never eat, and I smile even on Mondays.
No recording, no microphone, just AI. But then we asked ourselves, is something missing from our team? The answer was yes, we needed a female presence. So, we decided to create her. In the first step, we will write a prompt with GPT describing the presenter character who is joining us. Feel free to copy. The prompt will also be in DM. Hyper-realistic 3D approach in Pixar-style, Mediterranean appearance, light-tanned and glowing skin, bright green walnut almond-shaped eyes, expressive and charismatic appearance, subtle dimples, wavy dark brown hair to the shoulders, elegant facial structure, natural makeup, full lips with a warm smile, wearing a cream shirt with open shoulders, tight jeans, and fashionable shoes. The same character in Scene, always looking directly at the camera, professional cinematic Pixar lighting, extremely sharp rendering, very detailed textures, stylish 3D art, V6 R16:9 style raw. In the second step, you can take any AI tool that produces images for us. We will access Leonardo. We will copy the prompt. It appears that we are in a format suitable for YouTube 16:9, as you can see in the video. To speed up the process, I have already created several images and selected one. In the third step, there are two options to write a script or upload already recorded audio. As you can see, I chose the CapCut tool. There are many options here in CapCut. I can preview dozens of natural voices, male, female, different accents, even emotions. I chose a female voice that I liked, entered the desired text on the right side, and pasted it on Generate. Then I downloaded and saved it. Now we have an image and audio, and now we will have to connect them, which is where the magic happens. In the fourth step, the magic happens. We animated the image to unite the image and the sound and create the presenter. There are many tools available. This time I will use Hedra. The tool, like many tools, allows us to upload an image and upload audio or write a script. As you can see in the video, we chose to upload audio and an image and clicked Generate. Then we can count down until we have a new presenter in SmartAiDigi to complete us. I estimate that our presenter Easy will not object. While we're waiting for the video to generate, here's a quick note. Every like or subscribe really helps us keep creating, growing, and reaching more people. If you're enjoying this journey, we'd love to have you with us. All from a single prompt. Okay, as you can see, it's finished. Let's see what came out. I made several versions. Which one did you like best?
Hello everyone, my name is Dana. I'm so excited to join the SmartAiDigi family. From now on, I'll be here to guide you, share insights, and make AI feel more human and balanced. Together, we'll show you how to build a faceless brand. No cameras, no stress, just smart content that truly works. Hello everyone, my name is Dana. I'm so excited to join the SmartAiDigi family. From now on, I'll be here to guide you, share insights, and make AI feel more human and balanced. Together, we'll show you how to build a faceless brand. No cameras, no stress, just smart content that truly works.
Last step. Export your finished video and publish it anywhere. That's it. Now it's in your hands. There are quite a few tools that create videos from image to completion. Here are a few more, so check them out. Create videos for any business, leisure, or anything else purpose. Want more game-changing AI tools like this? Hit follow, tag a friend, and drop the word tools in the comments. I'll send you the full list straight to your DMs. Keep pressing pause to grow smarter. See you in the next one.